How to recover deleted messages from Facebook Messenger app. What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way from which you can easily recover your deleted chats or messages from Messenger. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give our video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. First thing first, you'll just have to open up your Messenger app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, in order to recover your account and your messages, you'll just have to head over to your settings, tap on the hamburger menu, and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the account center. Now click on see more in account center. And from here, you'll have to head over to your information and permissions because all of your data is stored here. You have an option to download your information, so just tap on it. And if you want to download or transfer your information, just tap on this option, choose your Facebook Messenger, choose the Facebook account that's connected with your Messenger, and then tap on next. And from here, if you want to download all of the available information, choose the first option. And if you just want to download a specific type of information, choose the second one. I'm not going to download everything, so I'm just going to choose the second option. And from here, you can just select your messages. So I'm just going to select messages here and then tap on next. And from here, you can select where you want to download it. I'm just going to download it to the device and then tap on create files. And once the download request is complete, you'll have an option to download your information from here. And that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.